in the house. Ito magpadapot kay Coach Rio, guys. Okay. Guys, pilayin mo hang time, M.
Time check.
Time check.
Goal time,
Pilayin
goal
mo time. Pilayin time. Pilayin mo hang time.
Sabto na.
Sabto ni, Tagalupon.
Sabto na ako.
Ako, sub 5. Sub 0. 8, 7, 6, 5. Huwag mo daw mo din hawin. Mura man mo din lamang. 2, 1, let's go! 0 km! Mingawa, oy. Masa man nila, walay height.
Mahal ba guys? Boy, height? Boy, ganda.
Wow! Young people coming all around the world. 26 green keys sa syudad nga mag-igo pa. Ang meaningful and fun one. Wow! Grabe guys. Ang dami na yung participants from all over the Philippines.
Ayan, maraming salamat po for joining and patronizing Sing Life Marathon Davao.
And everybody! Ang dami na yung participants from all over the Philippines.
Ayan, maraming salamat po for joining and patronizing Sing Life Marathon Davao.
And everybody! Let's go!
Zero km mga guys. Dito guys. Running and ahon. 5 km to go. We're in Coastal Bukana. Let's go Bukana. 6 km, 48 minutes. 7.76 km. 52 minutes. We're in Ahon. That Golden Bridge station. Let's go. Golden Bridge, Bukana Bridge. I love. Balik na akong return siya. Rotonda sa SM Dakota. Guys, sa SM Dakota. 21 km U-turn. Let's go guys. U-turn. 1 hour 12 minutes. Let's go. 12.5 km. I 12.1. 1 hour and 23 minutes. It's bridge. Need to go guys. 8K mga guys. 1 hour and 32 minutes. 17.7 km. 2 hours and 6 minutes. Baktas guys kay Ahon. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Guys, sana din nga mga kusgan sa lupon guys. Yes sir!
Nakita mo po nila sa tawag to. Postal.
Time. Official bandit.
42 km. 42 km guys.
4 p.m. bandit. 21 km bandit.